Here's my car, still underneath that pile.
About, 2 feet of snow.
About 2 feet of snow on it. Not that bad. Just gotta dig it out of here and show it all off.
It definitely looks bigger.
Yeah.
Okay, here we have Chris cleaning out his car. He's got maybe another hour's worth of work.
It may take us that long. We're getting progress though. I can see the headlights now.
Yep,
Good.
yep.
So.
Not quite as bad as it was. Here you see all the snow in the neighborhood. Everyone's out and about, skiing.
And here's the final product. Car is successfully cleaned off, free of snow, and we can actually manage to get it out of there as well. Alright, here we have Jack now making his igloo, and he made the bricks for the igloo out of a bread pan you use.
Bread pan.
Stuffed the snow in there and popped it out. It's pretty nice. A little small side. I was going for a 2-story version.
We can still charge rent for it.
With a breakfast nook, but this will do though.
Putting ads on the Craigslist.
Yeah.
Cozy winter home.
You can get a couple $100 a month for this cup like this in Boulder.
No
so.
doubt.
Alright, here's Carly with our snowman.